Oh, welcome back to Adam's Garage. It's Monday after New Year's. Technically a holiday for me because of holiday being on a Sunday. Did make it out and grab some ferrite beads. And I've got things all loaded up, and I think I've got it under control. But I've been following some videos. Worked on brought up a test part that I had in Fusion. Got all the settings done, I hope. Got the program loaded in. Here's the part. Do a dry run without the torch on. Let's see, where's the start? Alright, here we go. Down, up. Cutting the inner circle, setting the torch. And stopped. So, you know, we'll give a couple more checks here. And maybe it'll actually cut apart. Let me run it one more time, make sure my torch height's good. I'll be right back. Okay, my torch height looks good. I may have to adjust it. I have not done an actual run yet. Got my air on. Torch is live. We're going to try this firsthand. All of us together here. It's either going to work, or it's going to hang up, or all hell's going to break loose. Don't know yet. All I know is it's not going to crash. So anyway, back to the program. Start. Hey, we're cutting. We haven't locked up. My feed rates may be all whacked off. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Wow, not eventful, but nothing locked up. So looks like I'm not cutting all the way. So I may have to adjust my torch height a little bit. So give me a second. We'll try this again. Okay guys, been some fiddling, slowed down my feed rate. Still trying to get my floating head stuff working on. So try this again. Not cutting through all the way. There it goes. What if I need to turn my amperage up a little bit? I'm getting partial cuts here. Alright, so jam that sucker up to about there. Put my stereo down. Sorry guys. It doesn't matter to me here. It's all scrap material anyway. So that is not. That didn't work. And we just locked her up. Alright. He stopped pressed. Yes. Da-da-da. Back there. Okay. Let's try this again. Be right back. Okay. Let's try this again. Well, buddy, we may have successfully cut our first part. Let's find out. Put you on the stand here. Hear all sorts of things crinkling and crackling. Da-da-da-da-da. Judging by the smoke. Done some. Oh, come on, get in here. Really? Alright, guys. Have me try to do things by yourself. Alright, move you up here. Down there. Move the machine out of the way. Looks like she almost cut all the way. Should have cut all the way. It was only 1/8 inch. I thought I had a hammer down here, but I guess not. Ground. Popped out. Well, I bet you gonna be warm. All right. There we go. Actually cut out. Not completely clean. Obviously I get my settings the rest of the way. But we had successfully cut our first part on our CNC plasma machine. So stick around, guys. I'll get this thing sorted out more, get my settings better, get some good parts coming on. Hopefully get some trusses made, some brackets made for the 1-ton axles, put underneath the Jeep. But anyway, this is Atwood's Garage. Monday after New Year's, we have successfully cut the first part. Stick around, guys, there's more to come. Thanks a lot.